ready to cook some shit. Gotta warm it up. So you might be asking yourself, what is on tonight's menu? Tonight's menu is sausage and peppers and some onions. So Blackstone's great for a lot of things, but what I love the most about it is making after work meals simple. Simple ingredients. I have some sausage, I have some peppers, I have some onions. I'm gonna prep them real quick, chop them up, slice them up, clean them up, throw them on the Blackstone, and griddle them up. We even have some rolls and provolone cheese. If you wanna make a sandwich out of it, you can. If you don't, just put it on the plate and eat it just the way it is. Easy after work meal in 3, 2, 1. All right, so you don't have to do much for these. I probably will slice them, butterfly them, open them up and throw them down just to cook them faster, but we're gonna leave those there for now. As far as everything else, I'm just gonna slice them up and clean them up. Green peppers, easy peasy. Cut off the membrane, just like this. And then slice them, oops, without cutting my finger, just like that. I like to call them green pepper ribbons. I just made that up. I don't really call them that. All right. Now these, are they're just colorful and fun. They're sweet peppers. There's nothing special about them. I saw them in Walmart, and they're just tiny sweet peppers, and they're gonna add a lot of pop of color to this meal. The more color, the prettier it is. You eat your eyes first, so I'm gonna make this look as good as I can with all the colors, but I'm gonna make these the same way. Chop off the top, slice them down, cut them into strips, just like that. As far as the onions go, it's simple. Cut off the ends, throw away. I like to put them down the center. Get rid of all this onion paper, onion skin, whatever it is, and then peel off the outer layer so you have a nice clean onion. I just chop them up into big, relatively thick rings, slices, whatever you want to call it. And then I break them up, and they're ready to go. This is how I'm going to cut up my onion, my sweet peppers, and my green peppers. All right, so I'm going to finish cutting up the rest of these and get them ready for the Blackstone. I try not to be too particular about the cut, just as long as they're all relatively even in size, so they all cook about the same speed. But as you can see, runaway pepper. No, that's not for you, Onyx. As you can see, there's no real challenge to this. I'm not pulling out any of the seeds. I don't think it's necessary. These are sweet peppers, so I don't think the seeds are going to give off that much heat. And if they do, well, I don't mind a little heat. So, all right, that's all the peppers. All right, this is all peppers. Sweet peppers, green bell peppers, nothing but peppers. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I just love the color. It just looks gorgeous. It's like a holiday in there. Now I've got some onions I want to finish up. And again, I'm just going to cut off the ends, slice in half, pull off the paper, and just like before, we're just going to give them a rough cut like this. We're prepped and we're ready to go. So my favorite olive oil, Partana. It's an import of Italy. It's a really good olive oil. We've been using it for years, and it's just my favorite olive oil. It's a good olive oil, and it's not overly expensive, but it is an import. So I'm going to douse a little bit of oil on my prepped sliced peppers and my prepped sliced onions. Wham! I love this Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. All the flavors I love. Salt, pepper, garlic. My glasses aren't strong enough to read everything that's in here, but I really truly love this. I use it on a lot of things. Anything I would ordinarily use salt and pepper on, I will use this because it's that good and that's all you need. So I'm going to sprinkle these down with some of this Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. And then we're going to be done. All I got to do is give it a tossing in the oil and the seasoning. Same thing with the peppers. Peppers and onions are done. And like I said, with the sausage, I'm going to give them a quick slice. Flatten them out like this. All right. And that's how I'm going to cook them on the Blackstone. It'll make them cook faster. And, you know, like I said, after work, I don't have a whole lot of time. So I don't want to spend a lot of time. I want to get dinner ready. I want it fresh. And I want it tasty. So anything I can do to speed up the process and simplify it, that's what I'm going to do. My wife just walked in. So, again, you know, I like to sit down and enjoy a nice dinner with her. This is going to help expedite the dinner so we can both sit down and enjoy the time together because we both work and we don't get a lot of time. That's what it's all about, you know? Getting home, getting the dinner ready quick, but making it tasty. All right, so like I said, butterflied sausage, sausage links, whatever. I am prepped. Ready to get it on the Blackstone. So let's head on back, get it on there, and start cooking it up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch my dog. I don't know if you can see her over there rolling around in the grass, but she's having a good old time. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some oil on my preheated griddle top. Oil catch here. All right, so now we got a lot of oil on here. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to get my peppers down. So we're just going to slide these right across here like this. And then of course the onions. The peppers and the onions will take the longest amount of time. So I want to get those down first. Look at that beautiful color. I just love the look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, I can smell the instant they touch the griddle top. One of the things I love about cooking sausage and peppers and onions on the griddle is the smell is amazing. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and saute down and soften. I check them every few minutes. And when they're ready, I'll come back and I'll slap down my sausages. They should only take a few minutes on each side. I guess I'll check back with you in a little bit after these had some time to soften up, saute up, develop a little bit of color. And I'm going to go, oh, there comes the other one. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. All right. Look at the color. It's turned up real nice. That's what I like to see. So now, all right, so now it's time to put the sausages on. And look at these beautiful griddle sausages. And all that nice sausage juice is going to ooze out, mix in with the rest of this. It's going to be good. Beautiful. All right, so really there's nothing much more to do except enjoy a cold one while my sausage browns on one side, and I'm going to flip it over after a couple minutes, plate it up and bring it inside, and we'll be ready to eat. $145. Look at that, $145. Can't get much dunner than that. Oh, look at that beautifulness. Ha-ha! So here's dinner. Quick and easy, simple, delicious, flavorful. So good, so good. Provolone. I had it out, somebody put it away. So let me show you how I'm going to construct one of these into a beautiful sandwich. Take myself a roll, open it up like this. We're going to take a sausage. I'm going to lay it on there like that. Okay, like that. Using some tongs, I'm going to put some of these peppers right on top like this. Some of these onions, some of these peppers. All right, beautiful looking, right? So far so good, right? And then I'm gonna take some of this provolone cheese and I'll lay that on there like this. A little double stack, if you will. Look at this. All right, so now I've got it built. Now my trick is gonna be getting it under the broiler so I can melt that cheese. All right, and after a couple minutes in the broiler, the cheese is all nice and melted. And gently and carefully we take it out. There's a beautiful sausage and pepper sandwich. Listen, I said it was easy to make, but I didn't say it was gonna be easy to eat. Now you can dig in with a fork and knife if you like, but I'm just gonna pick it up. Look at this. We got sausage, peppers, cheese. Now I gotta find the right bite. Somebody. You're gonna have to take my word for it. This is delicious. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. Long day at the office, come home, you want something simple. Chop up some onions, chop up some peppers, put them on the Blackstone, griddle up some sausage, melt some cheese on a bun. Boom, you got yourself a delicious dinner. Quick, easy, and tasty. All right, well, I'm Buck. This is my kitchen, and tonight's dinner, sausage and pepper heroes. Try it, like it, tell me what you think. Subscribe to my channel. I'm just getting started. I'd really love your support. And until next time, I'll see you on the next cook.